students. Yesterday we have learned how to transfer an assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. I have taken some example too, but most of the students have made mistake. That is why I have decided to take it again. So let's see the two examples on the blackboard. Just observe it. He was very happy. He is a very clever boy. Now let's see the two examples. He was very happy, and second one is he is a clever boy. Now just tell me, what is the difference between these two sentences? Is there any difference? Yes, the most important difference is we can see the article here in the second sentence, and in the first sentence there is no article. So it is very important rule for making exclamatory sentence. If there is a or an article in the sentence, you have to begin the exclamatory sentence with what? Like this. And if there is no article in the sentence, you have to begin the sentence with how. It is the very simple and straightforward rule. If you see the article in the sentence, begin the sentence with what? If there is no article in the sentence, you have to begin the sentence with how. Is that clear now? Now let's see how to transfer it. While see the first sentence. We know that the assertive sentence begins with subject and it is followed by an auxiliary verb, right? So we can simply make two parts of the sentence. Let's see. First of all, while transferring an sentence assertive into exclamatory, we have to remove the words like very, extremely and great. So after watching the sentence, make the circle to the very. So now you can get two parts of the sentence. The first one is he was and second one is happy. Okay, is that clear? Now as we saw the rule that there is no a or an in the sentence, so we have to begin the sentence with how. Okay. Now after how, you have to take the later part, the second part of the sentence which we have made. How happy. Then write down the first part, but while writing that you have to write H small, because we know that we never write capital letters at the middle of the sentence. So how happy he was, and don't forget the exclamatory mark because we are making exclamatory sentence. Now let's see the second sentence. He is a very clever boy, or there is no very in the sentence, right? So don't worry about that. We can simply make two parts. The first part is subject auxiliary verb and second part is a clever boy. Now as we know that there is an article in the sentence, so we have to begin the sentence with what. So just do it. What. After that we have to write the second part. There is no word very, extremely in the sentence, so we can write that. What a clever boy. Now the first part, but make it smaller. He is. Exclamatory mark. Is that clear? Now yesterday one student asked me that what will happen if there is instead of he there is a name of any person. For example, I will take another one example. Geeta is a very beautiful girl. Now, instead of pronoun, we have used the proper noun here, Geeta. So simply, how can we make the two parts? Very is already there, so it is very simple. Make a circle to it. The first part and the second part. Now go just like our rules. There is an article in the sentence, so you have to begin the sentence with what. What? After that, write down the later part. What a beautiful girl. So there is no need to write the pronoun of Geeta. Just simply write that is what a beautiful girl Geeta is exclamatory mark. Now we all know that we never write the proper noun in small letter. That is why I have written here Geeta capital. Now is that clear? Now I am going to give you some example. Just solve it and send it on my on our group. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.